Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a powerful immune boosting amla breakfast smoothie for weight loss. This smoothie will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make amla breakfast smoothie, I'm using 3 amlas and I'm just running my knife through the natural ridges of the amla to remove it from the seed. So this way it's easier to remove the amla from the seed. Amla is one of the richest source of vitamin C and hence it helps to boost our immunity, and it is also antioxidant rich. In fact, it has more antioxidants than blueberries and raspberries. Into my high speed blender, I'm adding in 5 cashew nuts. You need a good source of healthy fat for better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. Hence I am using cashew nuts. Now instead of cashew nuts, you can use peanuts or peanut butter or soaked and peeled almonds. Any good source of healthy fat is a must for better nutrient absorption. Into this I am adding in 1 cup of water. I'm adding in the amlas. I personally like the flavor and taste of amlas, hence I'm using 3 amlas. If you are new to the taste of amla, you can reduce to 1 or 2 amlas. And once you get adjust to the taste of amla, you can increase to 3 amlas or even 4 amlas. Into this I'm adding in 1 ripe banana. If you want a thick and creamy smoothie, you can use frozen bananas. 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon or a big fat pinch of black pepper powder. Now whenever you use turmeric, make sure that you use at least a pinch of black pepper powder for better absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. 1/3 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps to boost our metabolism and it also will give a nice flavor and a subtle sweetness to the smoothie. To balance the flavors and to give a little sweetness to the smoothie, I'm adding in 2 soft medjool dates. You can reduce the quantity of dates as per your sweetness. Now instead of dates, you can use jaggery powder or even kakvi, which is known as liquid jaggery. For some extra omega-3s, antioxidants and fiber, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Some of you had asked me whether flax seeds will get ground in the smoothie. Since I'm using a high-speed blender, the flax seeds does grind well along with the rest of the ingredients. However, if your blender is not high-speed, you can powder the flaxseed and add in. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended amla smoothie into a serving glass. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs for some antioxidants and added crunch and flavor. And my super healthy, filling, immune boosting amla banana smoothie is ready to serve. This smoothie is very filling and it will keep you feel fuller till lunchtime. So guys, do try this healthy amla smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.